Hey all, welcome back to our channel Gooby. Every one of us would have been asked to write a long report at work and wished someone could have helped to speed things up. And other times, we would have just wished someone could take the data, figure things out, and give you a clean draft to start with. What if we can apply the same to developers and compare how basically GitHub Copilot versus ChatGPT Code Interpreter helps? Before getting into the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel. This is a very interesting comparison. Let's get into it. GitHub Copilot is equal to the efficient collaborator. Say you're halfway through a report, and while you're typing out a section, someone from your team says, "Want some help finishing that paragraph?" Yes, that's what GitHub Copilot does to developers. It works inside the code editor. As you write it, it predicts what you're likely to do next and suggests it. How nice will it be if someone helps you while you're working, making things faster, smoother, and little less repetitive? That's GitHub Copilot, a developer's fast, context aware, time saving friend who auto-completes functions, logic, and even full blocks of code. Now, let's call the ChatGPT interpreter a thoughtful analyst. For the same report, you've got a bunch of numbers, maybe a messy spreadsheet. You ask in a group chat or to a colleague, "Can you help me understand this? Clean it up and maybe show me some graphs." That colleague who steps forward is ChatGPT Code Interpreter for a developer. You drop in the data and it doesn't just give you answers, it writes the code, runs it, shows the results, and even explains what's happening. Do you have an office friend who can catch errors, fix them, and walk you through the logic? That's ChatGPT Code Interpreter for a developer. It's useful when you're exploring, analyzing, or trying to make sense of complex stuff. If you need some help speeding up the code you're already writing, GitHub Copilot fits right in. If you're starting with raw inputs and want to experiment, analyze, or understand, ChatGPT Code Interpreter does that job beautifully. So that's GitHub Copilot versus ChatGPT Code Interpreter. One is built to keep you with your flow. The other one is built to dig deeper and give you complete answers. Try both and see which one fits the way you work. Give this a video a like and maybe a share, and tag that one friend who is stuck with debugging something right now. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.